Welcome to the project demonstration of temperature monitoring through IoT and SMS alerts along with calling option in this project. So we have interfaced the K-type thermocouple, this is temperature sensor, through the MAX 6675 which will convert the temperature analog data to 12-bit ADC, and it will be converted into the SPI protocol based 12-bit ADC converter. And through the SPI protocol we are going to read the temperature from this thermocouple K-type sensor, and that will be continuously monitored by our Arduino Uno, it's Atmega 328P controller, and we set the temperature minimum and maximum values. So in this project we set the temperature of 18 degrees is a minimum and 22 degrees is a maximum. Whenever the temperature is below the 18 degrees or above the 22 degrees, then the system will send the message alerts to the numbers and also make the call after the SMS was sent. And also it will continuously send the temperature to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform through the ESP8266 module, and it will be sending to for every 15 seconds of duration. So before switching on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card. Better to use Airtel or VI or BSNL other than Jio, and it should have the SMS balance or main balance, and it should be as a valid SIM card, and inserting into the GSM modem, and then give the supply to the our Arduino Uno board. And also before that you should enable the hotspot in your phone with the given credentials. And after that, so wait till the light on this Arduino Uno board on and off. Right, so now the modem is connecting to the Wi-Fi, and then right, the light is on and off. Already we set the temperature for 18 to 25. Now it is room temperature is around 30 degrees. Then my system is start sending the message alerts to the number. Right, we got the SMS alerts, and also the system is calling right now because already the temperature from the thermocouple is abnormal. So just you can disconnect the call and we can see the message. Same again, we are receiving the call because the temperature is abnormal, and we can see the messages. Right, so they are the messages we are going to continuously receive whenever the abnormal temperature is detected along with temperature value. Okay, yeah. And coming to the ThinkSpeak, so we can see the value. Just log into the ThinkSpeak from your credentials and go to private view. So it will be there in our my channel and IoT temperature monitoring. So in the private view we can see the temperature values. So you can download this particular data. For that, go to data import and export, and in that download, and there we'll get the data will be downloaded in CSV format, right? And then open that. It will be open in Excel sheet as it is downloaded in comma separated values. And we can see that now. Okay, so you can neglect the remaining light-current values, but we can just consider the time and how many entries have happened till now, and for every time what's the temperature. So we can see that it's UTC time. By adding 530, it is going to be the IST. So this temperature in degrees centigrade. And after downloading the data, we can clear that. If you want to erase the old data, just go to channel settings. So here the channel settings, and now do clear channel, only clear channel, don't delete or any other things. So then it will confirm the channel got cleared, and now we can see that the data got cleared. Right, so wait for 15 seconds. Now we'll get the new uploaded data into the ThinkSpeak. Right, so we got the new data now. So like this we can continuously store the data into ThinkSpeak as well as the SMS alerts and the calling also. Right, thank you. Right, again we are receiving the call from the same number. Thank you.